Master SAP Basis Administration with prompt engineering. You can unlock the potential of making 25 lakhs package in India. So SAP Basis Administration is so powerful job role in many multinational companies all over the world because Fortune 500 companies means more than 95% of Fortune companies are using SAP software to run their businesses. That means they need people to administer SAP systems. So earlier learning SAP basis administration is a little bit difficult because you need to know who teach better, and you need to have the servers in your hand to practice, and you need to have certain material to read. Then only you can learn and understand. But now with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, you can learn many things very easily and effectively and more faster way. So I would like to teach how to learn this particular subject simple and faster. So that's why I'm recording this video. Of course, before posting this video, I have posted a blog in my um, website, that is nobo.com. So just briefly, I will explain about SAP Basis Administration. So before understanding about SAP Basis Administration, you should know what is prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is a concept of asking questions to large language models, that is like ChatGPT, your requirement. How precisely you ask questions to ChatGPT, you will get answers clearly, whatever you want. So why SAP Basis Administration? As I said, SAP Basis Administration is the backbone of SAP landscapes, ensuring smooth operations, security, and performance. Once the SAP system is deployed, its security is very important. Of course, the system should work at its best levels, means performance should be better. And if you can master this particular domain, you can lead roles such as SAP Basis Consultant or SAP HANA Administrator or Cloud Integration Specialist, whatnot. There are so many opportunities are available in handling SAP systems. Means if you can understand the concept of handling SAP systems thoroughly, definitely you will get more chances of getting job quickly. In Indian market, especially, many people are getting 25 lakhs salary. That's why I have kept that 25 lakhs as benchmark. Of course, I used to write articles on my own, like step-by-step procedures on SAP Basis Administration 10 years back. So with the help of those articles only, I got clients from all over the world, and of course, I got a corporate job with very decent salaries. So that's why, with my experience, I can say that you can quote 25 lakhs salary if you have 5 to 6 years experience. Don't hesitate to quote that much. Definitely, your worth and the skill is definitely required in present industry. So many people are telling that SAP Basis Administration will not be there because SAP is moving everything into SAP BTP, that is Business Technology Platform. It's not true. So SAP Basis Administrators are core people who can administer SAP BTP also. Okay, so without these skills, SAP BTP administration cannot be done. Okay, once the system is deployed, monitoring and all definitely will be there. Okay, and benefits of using prompt engineering for basis. What is the benefit of prompt engineering nowadays? If you do not use AI tools for any activity, you will become, means you'll lag, like you'll be behind other people. So my suggestion is to use prompt engineering for learning or implementing those skills in your day-to-day activities. So what is the benefit? Efficient learning and customized solutions, accelerated problem solving, enhanced productivity. Okay. And how to start learning SAP basis with prompt engineering? You need to set clear goals and you need to learn the basics. Why? What is SAP? What is SAP software? Why business need SAP software? So which kind of businesses will use SAP software to run their businesses? These things you need to learn. Then only you will get more interest to learn more advanced topics like implementation, upgradation, patching, user administration, role administration, performance tuning, etc. Transport management, such kind of topic. After that, you need to know how to leverage AI tools. So use prompt engineering to generate customized learning resources, scripts, and troubleshooting tips. Like you can develop your own scripts to automate certain day-to-day tasks, routine tasks can be automated with the help of scripts. If you do not know how to use prompt engineering, you cannot develop the scripts. Scripts can be developed very easily. You don't need to be a programmer to develop scripts. Simply, you need to know how to ask question to a tool. Okay, and a hands-on practice, experiment with SAP systems in a controlled environment to solidify your skills. You don't need to have the system in your hand. SAP is offering few systems online at free of cost and sample prompts for SAP basis administration. Like you can ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini these statements like explain the process of SAP system refresh step by step, generate a script for monitoring SAP HANA database performance, provide troubleshooting tips for common SAP network issues, how to configure high availability for SAP systems on AWS. These are all samples prompts that you can send to large language models. Challenges and how to overcome them, complex concepts, lack of resources, time management, etc. And career opportunities, SAP program manager, you can become SAP basis program manager, enterprise architect, technical consultant, all these things. So, of course, if you are new to SAP Basis Administration, definitely you need to take the help of any experienced SAP Basis consultant. You can approach me. Means I have 24 years of IT experience, IT industry experience, and more than 12 years of SAP Basis and HANA and SAP BTP administration, so that you can make use of my skills and start learning quickly as soon as possible. So if you have any questions or doubts on this particular topic and how to learn SAP basis quickly and how to get very good salary in this industry, get in touch with me and leave your comments and keep browsing this novo.com and my channel. So definitely it will help you. So for now, I am taking sign off. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video to maximum people and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned and blessed. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.